Hi, this is Bill Higgins from the Jazz team. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to configure user synchronization between Rational Team Concert, Rational Quality Manager, and a common Jazz team server. Let's start with Rational Team Concert. Here you can see the Rational Team Concert admin UI. I'm going to go to the Advanced Properties page and search for Jazz Team Server Location. This is an optional property that allows you to specify which Jazz team server the Rational Team Concert server should use. I'm going to put in the URL. Okay, now that I've put in that URL, I'm going to hit save. The next step is to create a server-to-server linkage between the Rational Team Concert server and the Jazz team server. To do that, I go to the External Friends page in the Admin UI. Once here, I can add a friend for the Jazz team server. The value of root services URI has the same root as the Jazz team server value, except it ends with /root services. For the OAuth secret, write in a password that you can remember, but is secure. Click Next. After it completes, we can go to the next page and grant access via the Jazz team server. When I click this link, it will actually show me a UI from the Jazz team server embedded here. So I want to write RTC so that when I go into the Jazz team server, I can find this. Approve, finish. And there we can see the friend has been configured between Rational Team Concert and the Jazz team server. There's one final step before synchronization will work between Team Concert and the Jazz team server. Now I'm going to go to the Jazz team server's admin UI. So I type jazz/admin. Now I go down to the OAuth Consumer Management page, and under Authorized Keys, I see the key that I just created for Rational Team Concert. The last step is to edit this key and add a pre-authorized user, who should be the admin you created during the setup wizard. The pre-authorized user is there, so I click Finish. And there I can see my pre-authorized user next to the consumer name of Rational Team Concert in the list. It's important that you set the pre-authorized user or else synchronization won't work. Now that I've configured synchronization, let's see it in action. I'm going to go back to the Team Concert admin UI. I go to the User Management tab and create a new user. I click Save, and it says the user has been created successfully. Now to test that it's been synchronized, I'm going to go back to the Jazz admin UI. Go to User Management there, and indeed, I see the new example user. You can also create the user directly in the Jazz team server and have it synchronized back to Rational Team Concert, but it takes about a minute to synchronize the other way. So now we have user synchronizing between Rational Team Concert and the Jazz team server. How do we do this with Rational Quality Manager? Well, you do it exactly the same way, except you start out at the RQM web UI rather than the RTC web UI. So again, you'd add the advanced property, add the external friend, confirm the OAuth key, and then on the other side add the pre-authorized user. Thanks for your time. For full instructions, you can go to the URL below, which will redirect you to the Jazz.net wiki.